Excellency, I want to thank my fellow co-chair, Minister Abdul Menaim, Minister of Foreign Affairs from Bangladesh, for his valuable remarks. And I want to just make a very short intervention to allow more time for the interventions and statements from our panelists, but more important, also the interaction from the audience in the floor. So, Excellencies, since the declaration of Buenos Aires Plan of Action for Cooperation among the Developing Countries in 1978, we countries of the Global South have come a long way in fostering our mutual cooperation and knowledge exchange. We have realized that through our similar development pathways, we can share innovative, cost-effective, and easily adoptable solutions to common challenges, as was highlighted yesterday in my statement. Thus, peer learning has become a central and dynamic component of South-South cooperation that is based upon shared values, mutual interests, and trust, a true partnership between equals. Over the years, Southern partners gain skills and experiences and build their own capacities as new providers and development cooperation. This created a paradigm shift from the traditional mindset where countries in the North were providers and countries of the South were more of recipients. Now, all countries can be providers, facilitators, and beneficiaries of this knowledge sharing. There is substantive evidence showing that South-South cooperation has immense potentials to accelerate the progress in achieving the sustainable goals, especially among emerging and developing economies. And this is what we want to highlight today in our panel. National, regional, and international initiatives in sharing best practices, ranging from setting up South-South think tanks, centers of excellence, portfolios of successful stories, trade linkages to the production of digital capacities catalogs that compile information on successful practices. And let me here highlight that the South-South cooperation is not just limited to technical assistance, capacity building, and knowledge sharing, but in fact, we need to also highlight and stress the importance of the regional projects, and especially mega projects. And maybe here just like 3 highlights. Infrastructure, connectivity, economic geographic remapping among the South-South countries is important. Inclusive and sustainable growth is achieved through a solid and sound infrastructure. Second, digital. The digital economies is very important because that will also ensure more inclusiveness and will also allow for growth to pick up at a more accelerated rate. Third is investing in human capital, education, and health. These are areas where we also see that South-South cooperation are pillars. So here, the integration among especially youth, and here with a lot of emphasis, again, on gender mainstreaming. With regard to Egypt, I want to also stress that we are here very committed to the South-South cooperation agenda, especially as Egypt, His Excellency President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi presides the African Union. So we want to take this opportunity with the large and very active participation of more than 150 countries to also highlight that. And when we're talking about the African Union, it's not just limited to African countries getting together, but is also reaching out to our colleagues from the South, the best practices, international best practices from the North, but also our development partners of whom few are sitting here on this panel, but others are participating from the floor. So again, in our panel discussions today, we see the opportunity to share evidence and findings of the experiences of our esteemed panelists who come from diverse backgrounds, indeed. We will take stock of the significant accomplishments, appreciate and capitalize on achievements, learn from the pitfalls, address the challenges, and document lessons learned. And last but not least, we encourage constructive feedback from all our participants in this hall today. Thank you very much, my co-chair. And the floor is yours. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Abdul Menaim.
I thank my fellow